I'm gonna try something and see if this will work. So you guys know my turmeric face scrub with lemon, honey, sugar, and vitamin E oil. This is cosmetic beeswax, and my son don't like to put his hands in here and feel the sugary scrub, so I'm going to try to use this cosmetic beeswax, guys, with this scrub. Mix it together and put it into a soap dish, let it dry, and try to see if I can turn it into a soap. So I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing, so stay along for the journey. We're going to see if this worked. I'm just trying it, don't know if it's going to work. All right, so I got the turmeric all mixed up, and the cosmetic beeswax has melted. I'm going to put it in there, and then next I'm going to try to put it into this soap mold and see what it does. Now guys, I have put the turmeric, lemon, honey, sugar into the beeswax. I'm stirring it around real well, guys. And I also took some Palm's cooking spray and sprayed it into that soap mold because I don't want it to stick. So I'm mixing it up real good, guys. And I didn't cook this together because you don't want to cook off the honey or nothing. And if the stove is off. So now I'm going to put it in a mold. Let it freeze, and I'm going to let you guys see if it turned out to a turmeric face scrub bar. Bye. Guys, so now I have it all mixed up in this mold, soap mold. And I did use the Palm cooking spray, guys. I'm going to put a top on this. And I'm going to put this in the freezer for a couple hours. Well, not even a couple hours. Like, I'll say 1 hour. And I'll let you guys see what it do. Bye. Guys, it wound up getting stuck in this mold. The Palm's cooking spray didn't work, but it's still kind of soft. I'm going to put it back in the freezer already. So I got it out of the freezer, and I think this is about as hard as it's going to get. So I would say if you want it to be harder, add more wax. So this is not soap. This is a face scrub bar. So you'll wet it, and once the water kick in, and then you will scrub it across your face. So it's the lemon, honey, sugar, and turmeric. So I did it like this. I wanted to try it because my son, he don't like the fact of getting, he don't like how that he would get all the sugar and stuff in his fingers. So yes, guys, it will work. So you guys can make a face scrub bar and rub that across your face. So it's got the lemon, honey, and sugar in it. If you don't like that feel of sugar and stuff in your fingers, so he don't like that. He's like, I don't like how it feels in my fingers. So yes, guys, you guys can use that cosmetic grade beeswax and make you guys a face scrub bar. So here it is. So yes, you can use it as a scrub. Thank you guys for watching. And remember, the harder you want it, add more beeswax. This is semi hard. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.